Hindi ya igongona ria gucokia ngatho ria maabitha a ugitiri ikiro-ini itiganite kanithaini wa Gatoleki wa Holy Family Minor Basilica guku Nairobi, maabitha aya ni mahoeirwo ni atungatiri kuria ningi manyotoretwo kiroho undumwe na indo iria mahuthagira riria mararuta wira kugia na mweke wa kuhoerwo. Maabitha a ruhonge rwa KWS, Kenya Forest Service, NYS, Kenya Police ni amwe aria megwikinyitie igongona-ini riri riria rita ria mwisho riatabaniirio miaka 2 mihituku. Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ni agathiriirie maabitha aya kumana na wirutiri na kwiheana kunene, akimaririkania ati ciiraniro iria ciothe thirikari yeraniire hindi ya kampeini kuri maabitha aya ni igukorwo ikihingio.
I want to tell you, please, msituharakishe. Don't count the 100 days from the day we were elected, the 9th of August. Start counting from 13th of September when President William Ruto was sworn in. Those days have not expired. They'll expire on the 24th of December. In the next 2 weeks, President William Ruto will unveil a task force to review your terms of service and condition.
Gachagua oho ni oritie maabitha aya kuruta wira uria mehokeirwo ni muingi na bururi mategwitikira kuhuthirwo ni andu eyendi na makiria ya mothe kuruta wira kuringana na uria mathitwo ni gatiba.
Those tools of trade that have gotten its blessings here are for protecting life and property. We cannot turn those tools to harm the very people they are supposed to protect. So let us be professional, let us respect the Constitution, let us uphold the rule of law, let us work in accordance with the National Police standing orders, and this will be a good country.
Mwena-ini wake Minister wa Ugitiri wa thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki ni arutite mukana kuri gicunje kinini kia maabitha a borithi aria makoretwo magikira mageca utungata-ini wao, akiuga ni megukorwo making'ethanirwo nao.
Those who want to test how far we can go, please note that we will not rest until we make sure our mandate is fully fulfilled and this country becomes secure for all of us.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Igongona.